to a new video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make your own banner for your YouTube channel. Okay, so let's get started. First, you're going to want to search up Snappa. Okay, so you're going to want to click the link that says snappa.com, and then there's customized graphic site, but you're gonna want to go all the way down to where it says headers, banners, and profile pages, and then click YouTube channel art right in the bottom of profile picture. Okay, then you could either create from scratch, feature templates, or in these other templates, but I'm going to create from scratch. Okay, in background, you could either, search up photos, images, whatever you want, or choose the featured photos. And then over here, you won't be able to see the ones that I have because, I already used this before. If you haven't used it before, then you won't be able to see that. So you have to upload the image from your documents and all that stuff, your videos, clips, photos. And then, yeah, so I'm going to choose this one for an example, and then there's effects, text, graphics, and shapes, but I'm going to go the text and then add a heading. Okay, in this heading, there's you could click the heading and then you can delete it by pressing backspace and then type whatever you want, but I'm going to type Ultimate Havoc, because that's what I want for my banner. And then the font, it's on Archivo Black, but I'm going to change it to Chewy, because why not? It's an example, so plus it looks cool. And there's letter spacing, line height, and text opacity. Then there's blur, darken, saturation, and then color overlay. That's what happens since I have that color if you were to put it to the max. And then darken, as I said. And if I were to go blur, then that's how it would look like. And then saturation, and then hue, which I don't know what it is, but it changes the colors. And then the brightness and the contrast. Anyway, the text, you could add a heading, subheading, or body text. But the graphics, basically they're little logos, icons that you just let's say, so yeah, as I did right now. YouTube, I searched it up, and there's a bunch of related YouTube icons, and I'm going to add this one. Make it smaller, so it would fit. And then, turn it sideways. But yeah, because as you can see, it says this desktop area, the tablet area, and then the one that doesn't say anything, which is like the middle, that's like for the phone area, and then the rest, everything is for the TV only area. That's what you see once you go on the under my channel, But yeah, and I'm gonna add another one over here to make it look cool. If I were to leave it like this, it would look like my banner. If I were just be talking about YouTube, or like Roblox, putting it on YouTube, and then over here, just save it, and then you would press download, and it would save to your photos or captures, or whatever you have it. Now we're gonna go to YouTube desktop. Okay. And then I'm you're gonna have to go to your channel. And then manage videos. Then it's gonna send you to YouTube Studio, and from there, uh, you're gonna have to go to channel customization. Okay, and then brand. You have to go to branding, right? And then that's weird. I should have a video watermark banner image, as you saw when I came to YouTube. Um, you know all of that and the logo. But anyways, you see on the red, like the computer monitor, the laptop, and the mobile device, those red, that red space should be covered up like on the with the image of your banner once you have it all. But like below the at least 2048, under that should say upload, and then you go to your documents and or photos captures, and you just select it and save it, and yeah, and then it will look like what I have over here. Anyways, thank you all for watching, and hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe, and until the next one.